welcome back to Urban Tech AR. Today we are going to unbox Amazon's Basics aluminum tripod and the premium mount adapter for mobile. The brand is Slovik, and let's get started with unboxing of aluminum tripod. And let me grab a scissor and cut this package. On this side, okay, let's open this. Here we go. Wow, it's awesome. This came out of black bag, and this is my lightweight aluminum tripod from Amazon's Basics, and it's cost me around 900, but the price is 1815. Let me open this bag and look at how is the tripod in this. Oh wow, it's awesome, right? It's given with well packed cover, plastic cover. Let's take it out of this. See guys, it's a soft material aluminum tripod from Amazon's Basics. And guys, this comes out of this like this. We can adjust like this. This is the tripod holder with for camera and mobile. This can be taken out like this, and the screw, the 1-inch thread screw to tighten that. And let's keep it aside and see what else on the tripod. This is the adjustable handle, and this is the screw for this adjustment and rotating, and this screw for the adjustment of clamp, and this screw for the adjustment of stand. And this is the stand guys. This is liquid adjuster. This is the stand. You can adjust here and tighten up, and here are the legs and the plastic support, and we can adjust as we want. Let's unbox on the tripod adapter for mobile, and let's unbox this. And that's it guys, and this is adjustable screw for mobile, and this is for the angle for the mobile. You can adjust like this also and tighten up the screw. There are two 1.5 thread-inch screw ports here and here. The brand is Slovik, made of plastic, and we should take it like this and should fit in this screw like this, and again, and we put like this to the tripod. Let's see how it fits, and it looks like this. Thank you guys, this is for today's video unboxing. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Urban Tech AR. Thank you and bye bye.